Hey, what's up everybody? This is Madi from Madi's Review Channel. Today I'm going to be covering the new Samsung Note 9 phone. Stay tuned. So now we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This is the lavender purple, the 128 gigabyte. This is on the T-Mobile network, but is also offered on the Sprint, AT&T, and Verizon, and other ones, also in international versions. So let's go ahead and get into the review. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this box. The first thing you'll see is the little key. This is for the SD slot that is up on top of your phone. Right here you have your instructions and some important information from Samsung. Okay, just going to go ahead and put that aside. Right here is the phone. I'm going to put this aside because I want to get into the accessories. So I'm just going to lift this black little thing right here up. I have the T-Mobile network, so here's my T-Mobile SIM card. And right here you have your C to USB connector. We have the standard wall plug. And in the back, this is where your charging cable, your headphones, and your headphone covers. This is your standard charging C cable. Looks pretty nice in the black. And here is your AKG's headphones. Those look pretty nice. And right here are your headphone covers. And here's an extra part for your phone. Okay, now that we went through the accessories, let's go ahead and get into the phone. Now looking at this phone, at the top you will see your external SD card port right here, and where you'll put your SIM card. Right here on the right hand side is the power button. If you look at the bottom, you have your S Pen, your speaker, your microphone. This is your power port and your headphone jack. Now if you make your way to the left side of the phone, this is your volume up and down rocker. And here is your Bixby button. So let's go ahead and power this bad boy on. What's interesting about this setup is it voice guides you. So we're just going to go ahead and let this power on. It's going to show the T-Mobile logo because I'm on the T-Mobile network. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip past this and go into the instructions to set up.
Hi there. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps. Let's get started. Wi-Fi would be quite handy here. Choose a network. Good news, we've got internet. Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going. Great!
Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and set up my account. I will be fast forwarding this due to privacy. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter my email address. And then I'm going to click on next. I'm not going to show anything due to my privacy, so I'll be right back. Okay, so it's already checking my account information. And I'm going to back up my phone from my last Note 8. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my backup device. I've got a lot of stuff on here, so I'm just going to go ahead and restore it. So I'm going to click on the restore button. I'm going to click on next. Now it's going to say set up date and time. You'll pick your country. And I'm just going to go ahead and pick my country. And right here I've set the time. I'll go to next. You can enter your phone settings, protect your phone. You've got set up face recognition, iris scanner, fingerprint scanner, or a PIN. I always do a PIN code. I'm going to click on, there's pattern, PIN, password, and not now. So I'm going to click on password. I'm going to enter a password. And then once you enter your password, you go ahead and click on continue. So right here it'll say meet your Google Assistant. I'm going to click next. I'm not going to turn it on, so I'm going to click no thanks. Okay, this is where you're going to set up your Google services. I'm going to take off the GPS because this is a battery drainer for me. So after you choose all your sections, I'm just going to go ahead and click on I agree. And it's going to update my settings. It's going to add its finishing touches. You can sign into Samsung account, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to speed up the video. Okay, now that I'm all set in, I'm going to go ahead and click next. So it says you can restore from Samsung Cloud from your old device, or don't restore. So I'm going to sign in for my old device. And it'll give you the option to connect using the USB connector. But I'm going to go ahead and send a ping, which is faster, and I don't have to get out the connector. So I'm just going to go ahead and set that up, and I will be right back. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and set the T-Mobile section up in here. This basically tells you about your data, your usage, and all this fun stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and bypass this and go to the main menu. Now that it's all done, it's going to take me to the main menu. Here are all your apps. Here's some more apps. Let's go into About Phone. So you're going to click the settings. I'm going to scroll all the way down and look where it says About Phone. Right here. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. I'm not going to show this due to my privacy. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click the battery information. And right here will show you that it is at 4,000 milliamp capacity. So this has been the review of the Samsung Note 9. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Madi from Madi's Review Channel. Today I'm covering the Note 9. So now that we got it unboxed and reviewed, I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit about this phone. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this phone. I'm doing an unboxing and a reviewing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This is the lavender purple. So if you don't already know, Samsung is launching this on the 24th of this month, which is this Friday. I was lucky enough that T-Mobile allowed me to have this phone earlier than the launch date. So as you can see in my unboxing, I went over the sides. You've got your Bixby button. You've got your volume up and down rocker. And you've got your power button. And down below, you've got your S Pen. You've got your speaker, your charging port, your microphone, and your headphone jack. So as I've been using this for a bit, I can surely say that this is a really nice phone. It's very thin to the touch. This has a 6.4 inch display. It's running a 1440 by a 2960, so you're going to see all the pixels in this. Very clear quality. You can see I've got already set it up and stuff. Very fast, responsive. Just got it in today. So as you can see, here's my pages that I had open. This is running the Oreo Android 8.1, and this device is an octa-core. So it's running the Mongoose 1.7 gigahertz quad core, the Cortex. This one here is the 128 gigabyte of memory. And it's got a 6-core of RAM, a 4,000 milliamp battery, so this is going to last you a long time. Coming from the Note 8, I always had problems with the battery always dying. I was literally living off the charger. So in overall, I'd say the specs, this is a very nice phone. If you are a Samsung lover, you definitely want to check out this phone. If you are an iPhone user, this is something you might want to check out because they've really beefed it up this year with Samsung's Note 9. So I want to see what you think about it if you have received it. Go ahead and link all your questions and comments below so I can answer some of your questions. Again, this is the review of the Samsung Note 9. So if you like this Note 9, go ahead and check it out. I will put the link in the description if you are a T-Mobile, AT&T, Sprint, or a Verizon user. I'll go ahead and put the link in the below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit the little bell notification down here so you'll get notified every time I upload a video. And you can also check me out at Maddie'sReviewChannel.com.